Section G of Form 6765 is optional for 2025, but starting in 2026, it's mandatory for most companies. If you wait until then to prepare, you'll be scrambling. And here's what Section G actually requires. So, what is Section G? Section G requires detailed project-level disclosure of your R&D activities. Instead of just reporting qualified research expenses, you must now break them down by business component. Now, a business component equals each product, process, software, technique, or formula you're developing or improving. So if you're a software company working on 3 features, that's 3 business components, and you report R&D expenses for each separately. Now, what Section G requires? For each business component, you must report 1, the component identification. That's the product, process, software, technique, or formula. 2, a brief description. What technological uncertainty were you trying to eliminate? Number 3 is the expense breakdown by type. Now, this equals your direct research wages, your supervisory wages, your support wages, your supplies consumed, and your contract research expenses. Number 4 is ranking. Report components in descending order by cost until you hit 80% of total QREs, or 50 components, whichever comes first. This is component level detail the IRS has never required before. Starting in 2026, Section G is mandatory, except for qualified small businesses claiming the payroll tax credit, or companies with less than 1.5 million in total QREs and less than 50 million in gross receipts, measured at control group level. These thresholds are measured at the control group level, so if you have affiliated entities, aggregate them. Now, why prepare now? Section G is optional for 2025, but you should complete it anyway. Here's why. It tests your data systems before it's mandatory. It identifies gaps in your tracking now, not during an audit. Gets your team comfortable with the new format. And it reduces risk when it becomes required in 2026. So think of 2025 as your practice run. Section G requires granular project tracking that most accounting systems weren't built for. Boast platform automatically organizes your R&D activities by business component and generates Section G ready reports. See how Boast simplifies Section G compliance. Schedule a demo. Get Section G ready before it's mandatory.